Okay, so we're going to deconstruct this, okay? So it says it took 23 years to experience a heat wave on a national scale equivalent to the historic episode of August 2003. How much longer will it take for it to happen again? Well, first off, so 23 years, and then 2003 is just 23, just take out the zeros, right? But if you wanted to, you could also look at the two zeros as an 8, right? So then 2, 8, 3. Well, 8 and 3 is 11. Well, 2 is just 11, 1 and 1, and Roman numerals, the I and I is Roman numeral 2, so a 2 is just 11. So technically, the 2003 could be 11, 11, because the 2 is just 11, and then the 00 is an 8, and then the 3, 8 and 3 is 11. Or you could look at it as 23 and 23, which is just 4 and 6, which is just 10, which reduces to 1. So it's either 11, 11, or 1. Either way, it's just 1. And then the 50-second heat wave, 5-2. Okay, wait, let's go wrong way. Let's go this way. Okay, so the 50-second heat wave, that's 7. 5-2 is 7. And then 1947, 1 plus 9 is 10, reduces to 1. And then 4 plus 7 is 11. 1, 11. And then 7 plus the 1, 11, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sorry, because 1, 11 is just 3. Because 1 plus 11 is 12, reduces to 3. 7 plus 3 is 10, reduces to 1. Okay? The second most severe, just behind August, so we got 3, 2 and 3 is 5, and then plus 2 is 7. And then 30 degrees is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. Once again, back to the 1. And then 2, 9, 4. So we got 9 plus 2 is 11. Plus 4 is 11 plus 4 is 15 for 6. And then plus 2 and 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 11 again. 11, okay? And now notice they say July and not the actual month like number. So we don't count the July month number because they don't put it. So 2019. So what are we at? We're at, so the 30 degrees Celsius made 10 out of the last 7. Okay, so we reduced to 1 there. And then 29.4 is 2 plus 9 is 11. Plus 4 is 15 for 6. And then plus 2 is 8. Plus 3 is 11. And then 9, 10, 11, 12. That 2019 is 12 plus 11 is, you guessed it, 23 for 5. And then 6 is 11. 5 plus 6 is 11. And then 1 plus 4 is 5. 11 plus 5 is 16 for 1 plus 6 is 7. And then so we're on 7. And then 7, so 22 and 23. 22 is just 11 plus 11. 23 is, again, what we just reduced from, and so we are at, we're at 7, right? Yeah, because 6, the 2000, yeah, because 30 degrees made the 10 to 1, and then 294 is 11, plus 4 is 15, 6, and then plus 2 is 8, and then plus 3 is 11, and then 2019 is 12, and 11 plus 12 is 23 for 5, plus the 6 is 11, and then 14 is 5, plus the 2 1s is 7, because, yeah, because 11, and then 1 plus 4 is 5, and we already had 11, and 11 plus 5 is 16 for 7. Then 22 is, so 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 for 7. Because 7 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 is 16 for 7. And then 22.4, 4 plus 2 plus 2 is 8. 7 plus 8 is 15 for 6. Right? 8 and 8 is 16. Yeah, 15 for 6. Oh, shit. And I didn't get the rest of the numbers, apparently. I mean, they have other numbers down here, but like 52 is 7, and then 1947, 2026 is 10. So 2026 is just 10 to 1, 1947. So there's just 4 1s there because 1 plus 9 is 10 equals 1, and 4, 7 is 11. And 2026 is just 10 to 1, so 1, 1, 1, 1. And 5 plus 2 is 7. and then 7 plus 4 ones is 11. You know, they just used the same digital root for like 11, 9, 8, 7, 6, you know, and to make them all add up to 11 and stuff. And the funny thing is, I know this because my birthday is 5/1/1985, May 1st, 1985, and it reduces to 29 and then 11. And then my birth time is 8:47 a.m., which reduces to 19, then 10, then 1. And Richard Feynman, his birthday is May 11th, 1918, 1918, and his birthday is 11. You know, the 5, set the 5 aside, and then you have 11, and then 1918. Add 1 plus 9 plus 1 plus 8 is 19 equals 10 equals 1. The same 11 and 1 as my 11 and 1, and that all just equals 3 and 3 for 6, plus his 5 for 11. So his birthday and my birthday together equal 11. Like, it reduces to 11. And there's a lot of other connections. But yeah, so apparently I didn't get all their data, but we were on 7. And I see the 2nd of June here. So that's 9. And then 2026 is just 1. So that's 10. And then 2 is just 12. And then 2026 is just 1 more for 13. Or actually 10 to make it make it 23 again. No. Wait, what was it? Shit, what was it on? 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh yeah, 10. Yeah, 12 and then plus 10. 10 plus 12 is 22 for 11 for 2. Is what? Wait, right? 12. No, 13 for 4. No, 22 for 4. It would equal 20. I don't know what I was thinking. It would equal 20. I was thinking 11. It would be 11 plus 11. So it would equal to 4, the Watcher from the Book of Enoch. Yeah, so it would equal 7 is what we ended on. And then the 2 of June, 2026, AU to Juliet to July. So June to July, we add the 2, the 2026, the 2, and 2026. Because the 2026 just reduces to 10 to 1. And the 2 is just, so 21, 21 right here. And that's 42, which is just 6. Added 7 is 13, which 1 plus 3 is 4, the Watcher from the Book of Enoch. So yeah, they all just reduce, you know, the 7, 11 angel numbers, you know, and the 4, the Watcher, the Book of Enoch, and the 9, completion, 369, Tesla, you know. But 137, 036, the fine structure constant, 1 plus 3 plus 7 is 11, and 0 plus 3 plus 6 is 9. So 119, the mirror to 911, and 1 plus 1 is 9, or 1 plus 1 plus 9 is 11, or 11 plus 9 is 20, aka 2.0, version 2.0. And so, you know, that's just how they run the iterations like that. So it's not hard to figure out.